Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking a little bit fresh if that's the right word for saying it, but I wanted to come on camera and look a little bit more natural just for this video, and I'm also just not feeling, you know, the makeup scene. But this video is kindly sponsored by CURLSQUEEN. I've worked with CURLSQUEEN in the past before, and if you don't know about the brand CURLSQUEEN, they are basically a hair brand. They sell clip-ins, tape-ins, and sew-ins and all of that like. So I'm super excited that I get to work with them again, and they were able to send me something a little bit outside of my normal forte. They were able to send me some curly clip-ins. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I only use their straight clip-ins for my short hair as well as longer clip-ins when I want a little bit more of a boost. But for the vacation time, I always leave my hair curly and natural because it's just too much effort in the summertime. It's too hot and I don't have the time to straighten my hair. So I wanted to try some clip-ins which were my textured hair, which were curly, and I can clip them into my hair and give me like this really big curly, you know, type of poof fro going on, and I love this look. So that's basically what we're gonna experiment today. I only took these out for like 1 second, so today's gonna be complete first impressions. It's gonna be unboxings. I'm gonna wash my hair and install it, as well as show you guys some different types of hairstyles or see how versatile the clip-ins are. I'm a little bit scared to see if it will match my hair because my hair, it's a little bit heat damaged in the front, so we're just gonna have to see how this works. So CURLSQUEEN is really cute. I love their silk packaging bags. This is what the hair comes in. There's actually quite a few stuff in here. I'm gonna start with the pamphlet here. They always send a nice little pamphlet so you know exactly what hair you have. I have the hair texture water jerry curly, and the hair length is 18 inches. And I watched a few videos from CURLSQUEEN with this same hair, and when it curled up and dried, 18 inches was the perfect length for about here, and the other lengths were a little bit too short for me. So I thought this was perfect. And inside they just have return form and just a little bit more about the company. What I love, they sent me a brush. So it's a nice big brush. The back is mirror reflection. I guess this is really good for, you know, curly hair. I hope. We're gonna try it today. As usual, they always send some extra clips for the clip-in. And then this time, I didn't get this in my last package, but this time they sent a bonnet, and it's in the same material as the bag that they put the hair in. And I love that it's a nice gold color. I feel like it looks really nice with my skin. So that's coming with me on vacation whenever we go. And the main star of the show is obviously the hair. I'm actually really excited because I legit never have used curly clip-ins. Okay, so this is the hair dried, and to me, honestly, it fits my hair just from looking at it, and it feels really soft. My hair is going to be wet on vacation, and then I would install this wet. So what I'm going to do in the shower is wash my hair because it's straight right now, wash this hair as well because my hair is going to be wet, and then we're going to see how the hair styles with my hair and dry together. So I believe this is in the shade 1B. Again, to me, this looks like the right texture for my hair. Maybe it's even more textured, more curly than mine because I lost a few of my curls when I dyed my hair. That was basically the unboxing of the hair. I'm going to go wash my hair, and then we're going to jump into the installation process, and then after that we're going to get into the styling process. Okay guys, so here I am, freshly showered, hair freshly washed. I even did a bit of brush out, but you can see that the front bits are heat damaged, so those bits I'm gonna have to put away somewhere. We're gonna start with detangling the hair and then inserting the clip-ins bit by bit. Again, I washed the clip-ins, let me show you. So the clip-ins are now washed, and you can see that the length is now a bit longer. Let's try to do a little close-up. You can see that it actually matches my hair quite well. Let's get these damaged bits out of the way, but if we get closer to my hair and then the texture of this hair, I think it actually matches quite well, as well as the color is almost identical, if not identical. So as I'm doing this installation, I will say that I am pretty simplistic when it comes to my clip-ins. I don't like anything extra, to be honest. I'm very much an easy person because I don't like a lot of work. and especially if this is going to be on vacation, I don't want to have to do a lot of things. I just want to be easy peasy and it should be normal. Actually, I thought I was going to use a comb to section it off, but I'm not, because with my straight extensions from CURLSQUEEN, I don't actually use a comb. I just use my fingers and it's actually easier. What I will do is spray my hair. I have some leave-in conditioner here. Just gonna spray it just to re-wet it a little bit. I'm gonna take the CURLSQUEEN brush here and I'm just gonna brush it out. I want to see how well this works. That brush is actually really nice. That's how my curls are looking right now. The one thing I will note about CURLSQUEEN hair is that the clip-ins are normally quite big, as in quite long. So I normally have to cut off a few clips. So right now this is the texture. I'll do another close-up. Identical. That's actually crazy how identical it is. Okay, so here is the clip-ins. Let me just straighten it. And just like how I do my straight clip-ins, I'm just going to open them, and there's no rhythm or rhyme. I'm just going to attach it to my hair. Just like that. That is so cute. I love this. I love this. And when it dries, it's gonna be obviously a little bit shorter. Oh my god, who do I think I am? Okay, so let's continue. And I'm gonna do very thin pieces because this helps limit tracks showing and clip-ins actually being visible. So you can see now we have some hair on top of the CURLSQUEEN hair, my natural hair, and it's matching very well. She's full. Look at that. With my hair up like this, it kind of looks like I have a mullet, but imagine my hair was, you know, edges laid back and I did an updo like this. I think that would be really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece from here. I like to normally just put one clip in here. It just makes it easier to style the hair, honestly, when it's just one. If it's multiple pieces of clip-ins on this side of the head, you're gonna see a track at some point. It's just gonna happen. So this is why I love CURLSQUEEN, because they're just so perfect. They give you so much in the package. You don't have to worry about a shortage of clip-ins. So I'm just gonna take this and put this right on top of my hair. Okay, well, first of all, I was gonna stop the video and like fix my hair, but first of all, I'm liking this side part. This is a vibe, and this whole part here is my hair. What's on top, this is my hair. I can even spray this a little bit. Obviously, I would need to, you know, gel down the sides, but this is the hair. I'll put it to the side just so you guys can kind of see. I think I would normally wear my hair like this. Literally, my hair is what's ruining this hairstyle right now because it's so straight. So let's try this with a hairstyle, because these pieces right now, I'm not sure why they're doing this to me, but we need to do something about them. I'm not really good with styling my hair, so we're gonna try this. I normally just like to do a half up, half down. So we're going to attempt that. Again, guys, I am very low maintenance when it comes to my hair. So me using combs and stuff to style my hair, not gonna happen, because I really don't want the effort. Just gonna spray this. take those pieces and kind of wrap them around the scrunchie. So this is actually the worst part of me doing my natural hair, is my edges. I don't get how to do edges. I'm gonna attempt it today because for the future, I need to know how to do my edges. So I'm gonna try. I don't know how all the girls have so much hair in front of their head that they can put that huge dip there. But like I said, I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna put some gel on my edges. I honestly don't think I have that much edges. Maybe that's why I can't get the look, but I can at least slick it back a bit. Hey guys, this is the finished look. It feels so good on my, it feels like it's my real hair. I don't want to take it out because it is my hair, but I'm so happy with the results, and I also quite like my half up, half down. I probably just need to tuck in more of my straight bits so that it's just the curly hair here sitting out, but I'm super happy with this, and it's such a versatile piece of extensions. You can do updos, you can do downdos, you can do side dos. Just need to adjust obviously the clip-in to whatever style you want to do. So yeah, this is the end result. I want to say a big thank you again to CURLSQUEEN for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. I'll be linking all the hair details in my description box, as well as a discount code. And if you have any questions regarding the hair or regarding what I did, just ask me. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe, and I'll see you in another video.